Feeling overwhelmed navigating through complex car auction platforms like Copart and IAAI? We understand the frustration. Searching for the right vehicle shouldn't be this hard. Introducing CarBidHelper.com, our Chrome extension is designed to simplify your auction experience and help you make informed decisions with ease. Step 1. Download the CarBidHelper Chrome extension from CarBidHelper.com. It's quick, easy, and completely free. Once installed, visit Copart or IAAI, and our extension integrates seamlessly. As you browse, real-time insights provide key details, like auction history and vehicle export eligibility, at a glance. With color-coded tags, it's easy to spot critical details. Green for insurance sellers and export-ready vehicles, red for private sellers and restricted cars. You can even see if a seller's reserve price is set. Dive deeper into each listing with one click. Access auction history, reserve prices, and vehicle report. You can even view the car's build sheet for a complete breakdown of its specifications. Our tools help you choose the right car, avoiding bad purchases. With all the data at your fingertips, you'll make well-informed decisions every time. Download the CarBidHelper Chrome extension today and take the guesswork out of car auctions. Start making smarter, more informed decisions, only with CarBidHelper.com.